So we got the Camaro out. Honestly, we're kind of just, you know, we're trying to get some things done. So I have the front end, all the Zeused, other than I still have to drill a hole right here, and there's 2 right here that I have to drill a hole. I figured at some point I would crawl in there and 2 people would put the front end on and Zeus it on there, and I'll drill the hole from the bottom. As funny as that might sound, I feel like it'll work and actually hit the spot right the first time. But what's up? But we're gonna do the black Zeus's here, and really, you know, the front end is pretty much mounted. There's no really anything we have to do. I mean, it's in the location that it's going to be in, which we're pretty happy with. Oh, I'm getting tied up. Okay. Okay. And here I'm working on the parachute handle. So it had 2 handles, which I kind of thought was weird. So I bought a dual parachute cable and mount kit from Tim McCamus, and I just replaced it, as you guys seen here. I kind of just have it mocked up in there right this second. I'd like to get a nice lock nut and like maybe an Allen or something. And you know, the parachute cable, it already has those 2 deals right there that'll run back there, and I have the parachute pack already I have the bags already mounted. Still have to secure the mount to the car. I also still have to drill these holes back here and put nuts and bolts through them. Got these 2 cables out. I'm basically just gonna try and route this one real quick to see where it lands. So you gonna drive it? You gonna drive, Daisy? Go ahead, put your paws up there. There you go. 200 barks per hour. She's like, oh yeah, this is it. She's a pro mod doggy. She's a pro mod doggy.
This is so funny.
Give it a couple sniffs.
Sniffs of approval.
She's like, oh yeah.
She's like, gonna make sure. Is everything going right on virtual speed performance?
Yeah.
Is it going right?
Our manager, well at work.
She looks like she's getting tired.
Yeah. She's like, look up here, switch panel. Is there the switch panel up here?
Let's see. Good luck, Daisy.
What do you think? You got your paws on the wheel? Puppy dog. I figured something. I'll have music over it, you know. Kind of just a little bit like a beat, just riff rap. So we just ran this through here, this cable, and I kind of like the way it's mounted like that. It's this bolt's kind of just from mock-up reasons. We're gonna run the other cable, so I'm kind of excited because we're making some progress on it, you know. But yeah. I like that. That's sweet.
One day at a time.
Yep. We have the kit came with little these little plastic things where you could put it in there, drill a hole, and then rivet to it. But I kind of don't want to like mess up the powder coat by doing that. What do you think, Dad? You think we should do that, or you think we should?
What?
There's little plastic wrap things that stick on there with a rivet. I kind of don't want to mess up the powder coat.
To hold the cables?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you need to hold them somehow.
Well, some on there though is zip tied. It's just zip tied on there.
Just somehow.
Yeah, but if you drill a hole, it's not gonna. If you don't scratch it when you're drilling a hole, it'll be fine.
I know. I just hate.
You're not grinding it to weld.
It's a brand new car. I just hate to drill a hole. So we have the chute pack mounted up. I still need to drill the 4 holes down there. I also got a nut or a bolt I'm gonna run, and we're gonna pack the chutes, and I'm gonna drill the holes for the chute cables so we can get that done. So then kind of for the most part back here we're kind of at that point kind of done drilling after the chute parachute cables, right? But we're gonna pack these chutes up. Attempt to. They got brand new springs in them, which should be rather interesting. Make this a TikTok where there's like every chute packing ever, and then there's the guy that's doing this, and there's the guy that's pushing on the spring going, I'm losing it, I'm doing leg curls. Look at my leg extension back there. That's absolutely beautiful.
A lot of flexibility.
Yeah. I used to be a gymnast. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Fucking son of a bitch.
New springs. Yeah, must be too low too. Update time. It's been a minute. All right, so it's been I would say a couple days since the last clip. I got the back window fitted, and I have all the Zeus's pretty much done. I got the quarter glass window in, bolted up. Next really thing to do on this glass, and honestly all the glasses when I get it to this point, like in that point, is to run the black finish line around the edges, like these cars do. However, it is looking better and better with Lexan in it. Lexan in it. I mean, look at that. And I'm gonna come over to this quarter glass right here and outline it and then cut it out so I can get this side done. That way 2 quarter glasses are done, the rear window, and I could pretty much just go to the 2 door glasses and then to the front. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. Here's a car with Lexan in it all the way around. Real nice, real nice, real nice. The windshield looks pretty good. Driver's side looks good. Got a workbench back here. However, today I was working on the door handles because, well, there was no door handles, and if I put both doors on there with the Lexan, I'd be locked out. So I was working on the door handles, and look at that. Now we still have some fitment to do. Door handles, got that situated, and I like it. I like it. I also got them on that side, but I'm pretty happy with it. I've never done the door handles. However, this was my first time. Actually, it was not bad. It was not bad. The Tim McCamus kit is pretty easy for the most part.